Okay, well, we've moved on now to proving angle relationships. And this first exercise that we're going to do is using the angle addition postulate. Now, the angle addition postulate, what it says in essence, and I'm paraphrasing this, that if an angle has interior angles within it, then the measure of those interior angles must equal the measure of the larger angle. Or if you look at this diagram here, we have, this is angle ABC, right here, ABC, and angle ABC has three interior angles, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. And if we were to take the measures of angle 1 and angle 2 and angle 3 and add those together, they, according to the angle addition postulate, they are going to equal the angle of ABC, the larger angle. The interior angles added together must equal the measure of the larger angle. All right. We have here before us the measure of angle 1 is equal to 23 degrees, or 23, and the measure of angle ABC is equal to 131. Find the measure of angle 3 and justify each step. One of the things about proofs is it makes you slow down and analyze and justify each step. You know, I think I've heard Mr. Wright say on more than one occasion that he loved geometry when he was in high school and college because he loved the proofs. I got to confess to you, I don't really enjoy the proofs that much. And it's because it makes me slow down. I want to process and solve. I love the solving. I enjoy that. I do not enjoy the proofs quite as much, but it does require me to be more patient. And one of the four P's to success in mathematics that I prescribe to, which are persistence, practice, patience, and perseverance. And so this causes me to be more patient. But let's go about finding the measure of angle 3 as we justify each step. Now we're told, before we begin, we're told that this angle ABC is 131. And we're also told, let me move to a different color, that angle 1 here is 23. And we're not explicitly told this, but if I look at this little box right there, that tells me that angle 2 is 90. And so now I've got to find angle 3. And so I know I know the larger angle, ABC. I know two of the interior angles. And so finding measure 3 is really not going to be that difficult. So let's start, though. We're going to justify each step. And we're going to start this way. The measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 equals the measure of angle ABC. And my justification of this is the angle, I'm going to abbreviate, addition postulate. And that's what we're setting out to do, is use the angle addition postulate. Now, measure of angle 1 is 23. And the measure of angle 2 is 90. Plus the measure of angle 3, that's what we're solving for, equals the measure of angle ABC, which is 131, and this was all actually given to us. All right, let's see. 23 plus 90 equals 113, plus the measure of angle 3 equals 131. And I can say that that is substitution. All right, let's see. If I take 113 and I subtract it from both sides, let's do it like this. 113 minus 113 plus the measure of angle 3 equals 131 minus 113. Well, that's the subtraction property. And then we've got the measure of angle 3 equals, let's see, 113 minus 131 is 18. That's the substitution property. And what have we just done? We found the measure of angle 3 using the angle addition postulate. Patience. Sometimes you just got to have patience.